I feel I'm blotted out by the noise and glare. But at night it's all so quiet. I know God hears my prayer, and He shows me around the universe. I can ride on the Milky Way. I can watch the golden moon rise and hope it has come there to stay. So if your days are loud and weary and you feel you cannot be heard, wait for the night, my dearie, when God hears the tiniest bird. When everything else is quiet and all the others are in bed, I know that God knows I'm living. His voice kind of sounds in my head, and I feel so close to heaven. Yes, I feel I could touch the sky, 'cause at night there's nobody closer than you, Jesus, who keeps me all night. So if your days are loud and weary and you feel you cannot be heard, wait for the night, my dearie, when God hears the time.